Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make spicy pepper chicken fry.
Do you like the taste and smell of pepper? This easy and spicy pepper chicken recipe will definitely blow your mind. Let's move to the video. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Add 1.5 chopped onion, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it and saute it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Onion color will be slightly golden. Now add 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Now add 4 tablespoon curd and mix it well for 1 minute. Add 500 grams of chicken with bones and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well for 3 minutes and fry on high flame. Now make it medium flame and close the lid. Cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, open the lid and add 5 to 6 curry leaves and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Open the lid and cook on high flame until it becomes dry. Stir in between. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Switch off the flame. Our simple pepper chicken fry is ready. If you need it more spicy, add some chopped green chilies before serving.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.